Meaning of draftee.
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 Draftee. A draftee is a person who is drafted into military service, typically during a time of war or national emergency. This means they are selected by the government to serve in the armed forces and may be required to undergo months of training before being deployed to combat zones. The draft has been used in various countries throughout history, including the United States during the Vietnam War. Draftees are often viewed as having less control over their fate than enlisted soldiers, who volunteer for military service.